You saying, BR?
Man come down there, man can't even get the loaded patty right now. Man's got to wait an hour on them things there.
Boom, you're listening though. In between times, we went on to the other patty shop, Healthy Eaters, further down the road, had some patties. I don't know how bro left there with so much food. That's the shop right there. But yeah, people, when something goes viral, you can't expect it to be there all the time. But you know me, I'm just a grumpy person, so I was complaining. This shop, by the way, smells banging, rude boy. Oh my days. Check in the previous video, but we're going to catch up from part 1, so this is part 2.
The nitties down there are moving mad, fam. But yo, man's got this patty, and man's gonna box it same way. It's a chicken one there from Healthy Eaters. Man's in Crackhead Alley in Brixton, blood. If you know this alley, you know it's Crackhead Alley. But man can't eat the food up there everywhere because the music's playing. So
this is why you don't eat in Crackhead Alley. I've only been in there for a few seconds and man's already got a cold. Look at boss man over there spraying himself with disinfectant.
And boom, the patties are still thin from the last time I came in that. But they taste good. That's the only thing I can say. They taste good, but they're thin as shit though. Like, what is boss man spraying himself with? He just spraying his head, rude boy. See, this is Brixton, yeah, so it must be bacteria and all that kind of stuff. Man's got the, the Healthy Eaters one. So man's got the patty from Healthy Eaters. You're gonna check on my video if you want to see me breaking off. This thing is hot as shit, rude boy. Oh my day. Come here. Yeah, some of me.
Still look the same, bro.
Yeah, I feel flaky, but thing is, hot as shit. Overall, the flavor's fitting them. Nice patty, I ain't gonna lie. Can't say this is a bang bang 10-10. Maybe because it's hot as shit, so I should have waited for it to cool down. Yeah, now what I can say, but they're still thin though. There's not a lot of filling in there for £2.50. It's like scrambled egg and that. And I've just boxed the chicken patty. Like I said, the patty was nice. I got the beef one in my back pocket and all them things that I'm gonna eat in a bit. I might, like I said, I might hang around for an hour. Man's only lost what? 30 minutes already. Man's got to wait another 30 minutes for that food. But I'm thinking man's gonna go there, yeah, and then it's not gonna be ready. But bro's in a rush, so we might just bounce in it. I don't know, innit? Yeah, and that's Pop-Up Brixton. If you ain't seen it before, people, I ain't gonna go in there today, cause I ain't doing food reviews like that. Get me? And obviously this is the market. If you remember this market from back in the days when man was jutes, then you remember you could buy anything on either side. But obviously it looked different. And you see that little archway over there, yeah? If you remember them school days, man used to go there in the morning and play the arcade before jumping on the train for school. Shout out school days. What about anything in there you thinking, man? This? Bro's looking for a juice bar. So there's one. That is a beautiful lady, people. So what they got going on there? Some raving thing. Yo, man, just grabbed the drink from
Chef Zion.
Chef.
Chef Zion, original juice, man.
Yeah?
Juice, nice and cool. Yeah, man.
That's it.
Right,
that is it. Don't know, my brother. That's the one there. She beautiful, blood. And bro, just grab some juice right now and that. What you reckon of the juice?
I'm gonna grab another one.
Serious? Yeah. Let's roll. Which one is it? Let me see.
Delacour.
And how much? £15?
Yeah, well, 15.
15. Do you know if that one there is worth £15 or not? Because man ain't buying no champagne off no nitty for £15 when he's touched the top of the bottle. But if it's worth £15, I don't even drink, so yo, if you're a lady and you get it, then you know I bought it for you, innit? Oh, look at that food though. This is what I need to try, you know. This is Kenyan food, bro. It's Kenyan food, isn't it? Yeah. I've seen it in Tooting. Yo, when you gonna see that on my food review, I'm gonna try some Kenyan food. I don't know the names of it, yeah. It's like on some big tray thing. Like when you see it, you saw what the lady was eating and that. Yeah. And then if your shop ain't got one of these, yeah, I don't know what's going on, cause that is ice cold right there, where oh my days, my nipples all standing up. Yeah, they said it's ready still. They're just gonna deal with one customer, then deal with man after. So yeah, I'm excited to see this and try this, rude boy, so I can head home, rude boy. I'm tired. And boom, man's finally got the loaded mutton. I mean, man finally got that loaded patty, rude boy. Man had to wait a little bit of time, but man's gonna take this home and try and see what it's saying and that. What's going on, sister? Yeah. Shout out the lady in green, traffic light and that. But yo, see this? I can't wait till I get home and try this and see what it's saying and that. So yeah, we're gonna make our way home. Video pretty much done now. See what the weather's nice like this, yeah? Show them, bro. You have to grab. Bro just grabbed himself one rare nephews thing. See, bro get lean up on the street down there in Brixton, yeah? Man, know where he got the drink from. Bro just grabbed himself a juice. Look at his shaking the juice. What's in there? What you think's in there?
It's a rum and ginger right now.
Rum and ginger. You remember me and bro came here, yeah, when it was the Mac factory and that? Yeah. Alright, let's roll. Are we gonna cut through? Nah. Yeah, man. Me and bro, you know. Come on now, blood. So we start to cut out here. I'm gonna go and grab myself a soft drink. Bro's got himself one. Ray and nephew thinks I'm gonna grab myself something from Iceland so I can grab myself a cold drink and all them things. You feel me? Let's go, man. End of this vlog here now. Bro just reminded me, the way I ate the patty from the other shop, yeah, he said, bro, just take this patty home and eat it. Like, listen, I eat messy, boy. Get my face in there and all them things there, you get me? Them black people out here and that as well. Bro just spotted this out to me, yeah. Who remembers when this was £2 for £1, boy? The whole ends used to be covered in these drinks. It tastes like water though, man. Do you know, I'll grab it. No, and if I don't get it, I'll put it on the shelf and grab something else. Yo. So grab the drink from the back and all them things. I don't know why I go on the bro sometimes, you know. But this is a Y-free zone, man. Don't do them thing there. Yeah, I'll put that one back here. I'm gonna grab this, blood. I prefer water for some reason. I'm a water man. Yo, Brixton's nice right now, blood. In my vlogs, I don't talk a lot, yeah, but blood, I'm trying my best, innit? Like, just look at the scenery, yeah. More look at the scenery than anything. I ain't trying to do all the talking and all that stuff there.
I love fucking Brixton.
Same.
Tell me that.
Same. So yeah, man's at the train station, but before man dip, yeah, I kind of want some chicken wings. But I can't see no chicken wing shops. Where the chicken wing shops at, people? Cause I need some blood clot chicken, you hear me? Boom. Yeah, man's got the loaded patty, mac and cheese and all that stuff there. Man's gonna take it home and try it, cause right now it's hot out here and this is a messy one and I want it to look nice, you get me, blood? Cause if I bust that open and start boxing it now, everybody, then I can't seal it back up and them things there. Let's go.